And new at 5, big news for anybody who depends on insulin. A major drug maker, Eli Lilly, has announced a cap on the cost of that drug.
WGNO's LBJ spoke with some medical providers about how much the cap will help insulin users.
We're reducing the list prices of our best-selling other insulins, Humalog and Humulin, in their various forms by 70%, effective this fall.
That major announcement from drug giant Eli Lilly of the cap of the price of some insulins to $25 per vial and others at $35 per vial is welcome news to the millions of patients that depend on the drug daily. Touro's chief medical officer, Dr. Christopher Lege, hopes this is a sign that other drug manufacturers will also reduce costs.
So when they reduce cost of a product that's used by so many people, for some of them it's life-sustaining. I think it is big news and a really big deal, and hopefully a harbinger of more to come from other companies lowering their insulin cost as well.
Lege says that we have the Inflation Reduction Act of last summer to thank, in part because that capped insulin costs for people on Medicare plans, but today's cap goes further.
This move by this drug company actually reduces the cost of insulin for all of those other populations and increases access to those insulin products tremendously, even for people who have no health coverage at all.
Timothy Smith is a pharmacist at H&W Drugstore in New Orleans East. He says that even the capped price will be difficult for some customers, but agrees that it is good news.
It's life and death. I mean, some patients just cannot afford the medication, so to have it capped at no more than $35, that's still a little steep for many of our patients, but it's better than nothing.
For WGNO News, I'm LBJ.